Alex here with Tesla. Here you have live the confirmation that Americans, my friends, are the most stupid people in the world. A couple of days ago, they were selling at $284. You can see the real-time screenshot on my Twitter channel. Today, they are buying at 316. So, Elon Musk is going to make a huge announcement. I'm very happy since I now short the stock precisely this 316, and we have obviously to say thank you very much, Elon Musk, and it seems that now he changed the name, the croc, to Elon Tusk. So you have all these fucking American idiots losing money in Tesla. They sell at the bottoms, then they are going to buy shares after the rally. They are truly stupid, these Americans. Well, my friends, so I'm very pleased to see the rally today in Tesla, and good luck. The short 316 to start with. Thank you very much.